This week is about recapping on algorithms. Representing algorithms, here's a simple one here about drawing a square on a computer. So drawing 3 centimeter line, step 1, turning left 90 degrees, so on and so forth. Using algorithms and then representing them as flowcharts, which you looked at last week. Now flowcharts are a great way to represent algorithms. They're more visual and they can help us understand what the algorithm is trying to do. So this week you're going to be using an online system to draw your algorithms and also to complete your work this week. So once you load up the online tool, you'll be faced with this. You're going to click on device and then you click on create new diagram and then start with a blank diagram and make sure we give it a name. So let's call this flowchart. Now, just to recap on the symbols, you have down here, flowchart. So you have a start symbol, okay, by dragging onto the things. You can type straight into the shapes themselves, the start shape. We have the process shape, which is a square, rectangle. So this is a doing action for an algorithm. So we always have start and stop on our flowcharts. It's very important. Stop. So start and stop, a process, so a doing action. So in our algorithm, for instance, that would be draw a 3 centimeter line. Again, we can link these using our arrows from between the boxes. Allows us to see which way our algorithm is going. A decision is our diamond, so making a decision. So this could be have we run out of ink in pen, for instance. So here we could have 2 decisions. If we've run out of ink, obviously yes, we have to go back to the start. If no, we could continue on. So using the system to build our flowcharts. So your first task this week is to download the 2 PowerPoints here and complete them by moving the shapes around into the correct positions. You'll have to add extra arrows, but all of the information you need is on the PowerPoints. You just need to move the processes and decisions until you complete your flowcharts. Again, there's 2 there. And the second task is to create a flowchart for an algorithm, which will be presented at the bottom of the page. So your submissions to Firefly will be your 2 PowerPoints, your completed flowcharts, and then your third flowchart, which will be completing. All 3 need to be submitted to Firefly. Thanks for watching.